Hello and welcome to this video. I will share with you step by step how to log in Rakuten Bank of Japan. If you want to log in online, follow me on this video guide. First, go to Google, search for Rakuten Japan Bank. This is the keyword, click on login. This is for login. Click this one first result. After that, you will see this page. This is a Japanese page. You can use English. If you have a language English, click login, this option, as you can see here. And then from this page, you can write your user and password. Write two option here, user and password. As you can see here, login password. Your user, for example, this is my user. And then write your password. This is how you can do, friends. It is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video. You can download this app also on Google Play or App Store. After download this app, close this one and complete the steps for login.